What's up guys, today I will tell you how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to MetaMask. So let's get started. So first what you need to do is launch your crypto.com mobile application and log into your account. On the home screen, tap the accounts tab at the bottom, then select crypto wallet. Locate the transfer option at the top and tap it, then choose withdraw. You'll see various withdrawal options including sending to other crypto.com users or external wallets. Since we're transferring to MetaMask, select external wallet. Next, tap add wallet address and choose your cryptocurrency such as USDT. Search for USDT and select it. Then pick your network miners, for this example ERC20. You'll need the ERC20 address from MetaMask. To obtain this, open your MetaMask app, select Ethereum main network, tap Ethereum, scroll down and choose receive. Copy the deposit address shown and return to crypto.com to paste it in the address field. Name your wallet as MetaMask wallet, then press continue. On the next screen, confirm all withdrawal details and tap the transfer button. Ensure the network matches on both sides to prevent fund loss. Verify all information carefully before sending, as cryptocurrency transactions cannot be reversed. Your crypto will begin transferring to your MetaMask wallet once confirmed. And that's how you transfer crypto from crypto.com to